You asked, how to divide 184,450 by 800 using the long division method. 1 is too small. 18 is too small. 184 is too small. Use 1844. 1844 divided by 800 equals 2. 2 times 800 equals 1,600. 1844 minus 1,600 equals 244. Bring down 5, making 2,445. 2,445 divided by 800 equals 3. 3 times 800 equals 2,400. 2,445 minus 2,400 equals 45. Bring down 0, making 450. 450 divided by 800 equals 0. 0 times 800 equals 0. 450 minus 0 equals 450. The remainder is 450. The final result is 230, remainder 450.